So anyhow, thought I'd bring out this old saw today. I'm cutting some wood, and this saw I got from my grandpa Adams, and this thing's been in my garage for a long time. It's a HOMELITE, and it's a Super XL, and it says automatic. And the reason it says automatic because it's an automatic oiler. So back in the day, this was top of the line saw right here. HOMELITE Super XL Automatic. That means it automatically oils your chainsaw and your bar up here. So pretty cool. I thought I'd bring it out today and see if we can put this bad boy to work. I don't know. My guess is probably early 80s, late 70s model. Anybody out there that has idea how old this saw is, put it down in the comments because I want to know, because I don't know. This thing had been started forever. Just filled it up with gas and oil, and thought we'd cut a little wood today, see if this thing will even start. So hang with me. If it takes a little bit to get it started, we'll know shortly. Here we go, boys. Oh. There she is. She's still a beast today. I tell you what, an old saw like this, the RPMs are so much slower than the newer saws. You can tell a big difference. And I tell you what, talking about vibration and pretty heavy. So back in the day, them boys went from crosscut saws to hand saws to a chainsaw like this. They thought that they just had the Cadillac back in the day. Still a lot of work though. But I tell you what, pretty amazing what this thing will do still today. You can see that thing's got a great big old tooth on there. So it's a little bit less horsepower saw back in the day, still pulling a big old chain though. Pretty amazing. So hey, glad everybody watched, and like I said, down below, put in the comments what year you think this is. I really want to know. Thanks to my grandpa, just giving me a good saw, and I'll keep her running. And when I get done with it, I'll pull the spark plug, put some oil down in the piston, crank it over a little bit, and put her on the shelf again for probably another 5 to 10 years. Haven't touched this saw, guys. No carburetor kit, nothing. It's the same saw that I got years and years ago. So I tell you what, in today's age, this saw here, if it sat on the bench for as long as it has, you'd have to rebuild the carburetor, put a new carburetor in it. Not this one. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. Hey, hit the subscribe button for me. And man, I really appreciate you guys watching, spending some time out there just looking around, seeing what my channel's about. Hey, go to my channel, check it out. I got a lot of stuff on there. I got a diesel swap conversion in my son's truck. Had an old Jeep that I just sold. Just living life, man. Hey, God bless, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.